In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import eBay listings into WooCommerce and review them before publishing. To begin, make sure you back up your WooCommerce website. This is an important first step because anytime you add a new plugin or import a batch of products, it's a good idea to have a restore point available just in case something doesn't look right afterward. A backup gives you peace of mind and helps protect your store data. Once your backup is complete, install the eBay to WooCommerce import plugin shown in the tutorial. Be sure you're using the same plugin featured in the process so the settings and layout match what you expect to see on screen. After the plugin finishes installing, go ahead and activate it so its tools become available inside your WordPress dashboard. Next, open the plugin's product import section. This is where you'll manage the connection between eBay and WooCommerce and choose which products you want to bring into your store. Depending on the plugin, you may be able to connect your eBay account directly or simply enter the URL of a specific eBay listing. Use whichever option the plugin provides in the tutorial. After that, select the eBay listings you want to import. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct products, especially if you're working with multiple listings or variations. It's better to double-check now than to clean up extra products later. Before starting the import, carefully review the product information. Look over the titles, descriptions, images, prices, and any variations such as size, color, or style. This step matters because imported data is not always perfect, and catching issues early can save you time. Also, assign the correct WooCommerce categories so the products appear in the right sections of your store and are easier for customers to find. Once everything looks good, start the import. Give it a moment to finish, especially if you're bringing in several products at once. When the import is complete, open the imported products in WooCommerce and inspect them one by one. Now focus on cleanup and accuracy. Correct any missing images, attributes, shipping details, or prices. This is your quality control stage, and it helps ensure the product pages are complete and professional before customers see them. If anything looks incomplete or inconsistent, update it now. Finally, publish the products only after confirming that everything is accurate. Taking this last review seriously helps prevent errors on your live store and creates a better shopping experience for your customers. That's the full process for importing eBay listings into WooCommerce and getting them ready for sale.